welcome back to my channel. My name is Harshita and I'm up with another video after a very long time, but it's finally here. So ये वाली video का मेरा कोई भी plan नहीं था, but I thought that I'm doing something very special that I should be sharing with you guys. So as you know, my department is knitwear design. So मेरा एक बहुत ही बड़ा और बहुत ही important assignment है, which is that we have to make a product using crocheting. So I was learning crocheting for this whole semester, like almost the whole semester, and now we are supposed to submit a product and I am making a top. Now I'll put the reference picture somewhere here on the screen that you can refer to. And ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं अभी शुरू करूँगी बनाना. I have already started making it, and in between I thought that I should also share the whole process with you. तो जितना भी अभी हुआ है उसको I'll fill you up with the details, and जो भी आगे होगा I'll take you along with me. Okay, yeah. So the first step was to actually find a reference. Now I thought that I'll do patchwork from the very beginning, but I think मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ambitious हो गई थी, not realizing that I'm not that skilled enough yet, and दिन भी बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं थे to actually do something like that. तो मेरा सबसे पहला reference picture कुछ ऐसा था, and then I thought that okay, I'll be able to do it. I got yarns also, 11 shades of yarns, but फिर मेरे को realize हुआ that it is not a nice idea because it's too ambitious and मेरे को भी इतना fitting वाले garments बनाने नहीं आते हैं. Then I thought let's tone it out a little bit, and I came up with this reference, and I also started making like these doilies. So these things are called doilies, and I thought that okay, I'll join these and make a pretty top out of it. But again, my concern was fitting, तो मैंने सोचा okay, let's leave all of that. Let's keep up with the idea of patchwork, but something much more simpler. So then I found a way to combine my patchwork idea with a relatively simple pattern. So this is the reference that I am kind of following right now. This is like my reference picture, but I have made changes here and there. So I'll show you how much I have made. Okay, so this is what I have made right now, or till now actually. So this is basically this part. It is going to be a tube top, but I will make a few changes. I'll put that drawing here. So I was sketching and seeing what are the possible ideations. So this is what I finally come up with, and this is going to be, so this is basically just the top part. I have a lot of work to do. So yes, मैंने बहुत late realize किया कि that I can vlog this, but now whatever it is, it is. So I'm going to use 3 major color combinations जो अभी तक मेरे mind में, अगर वो future में change हो गया, then I'll let you know. So first is this light green, then I have this beautiful green, and maybe this purple. I don't know, I'm still thinking. Let's see. I don't want to get more yarn because I already got a lot of yarn according to my previous inspiration, and now my inspiration has changed, but we'll figure something out, and I hope it works ekdam अच्छे से. Now I don't have a lot of time. Today is Sunday, which is 21st of September. This is supposed to be submitted by 24th of September, and I know I'm running behind. I'm running short of time also, but we need to do it. There is no other option, and on 26th I leave for home. I am super excited, and the thing is, it's not that I have three days in hand. The problem is that in 3 दिनों में we have Onam, we have Vaibhavam, and we have Garba. Garba तो चलो is on 25th, so तब तक I have to be done with the submission. But before this, I have 2 major events that I don't want to skip either. So there is a lot of balancing work that I need to do, and I'll take you along. I think अब मेरा crochet में थोड़ा सा हाथ बैठ गया है, so I'm able to do it much more comfortably. But the thing is, I'm still struggling to control the tension a little bit because कहीं पे gaps रह रहे हैं. But I'm trying कि वो अब ना हो because of the tension. आपको थोड़ा सा लग रहा होगा that this line is a little tilted. It's not tilted, it's just because of the tension, and this is what I'm working on right now. And yeah, that's enough. I'll take you along this journey because this is my first crochet project. Like मैंने crochet थोड़ा सा पहले से भी किया हुआ है, but I've never really made anything as such, and this is my first project, and I'm super excited. I will quickly do this, and we have a lot to talk, but not in this video. We'll talk about all the other stuff later on. So yeah, let's get done with this and let's go. Okay, so sorry for the weird angle, but I'm starting with the second color now, which is the green one. I'm gonna start with a slip knot. Okay, so this is not a tutorial video. I'm not yet an expert, but just sharing what little bit of knowledge I've gained. Okay, so this is okay. So I'm using a cotton yarn because it's more wearable, breathable, you know, and it's more comfortable to work with also. But sometimes, you know, the yarn strands, like the plies, come out, so it's a little tough to work. Otherwise, I think it's a very good yarn. It's more wearable also. Acrylic is not that wearable, because before this, for like my class assignments, I've been working with acrylic yarn only. But yeah, right now I'm working with this. Now, okay, so I think it's been super long since I've even vlogged something or, you know, put up any video. I'm very much active on Instagram though, but I think that, you know, I've missed YouTube over this month. You know, before coming here back in Delhi, I thought, oh, now I'm going to NIFT. You know, back in Hyderabad there will be so much of content to shoot and post, and I will try to, you know, make a vlog every week. But that just did not happen. There were a lot of fun times, a lot of events. Ganpati happened, Janmashtami happened, Independence Day happened, a lot of birthdays came and went by. And then, you know, otherwise also there is so much of work. There is always something or the other happening right here in college. But I don't know, I also took clips of some events, but I just did not do anything with them, which is kind of sad. And now I realize what all I have actually missed over a month, and I think I really need to work hard to get my YouTube engagement back. So that will take a lot of time, but I think this is a perfect video to start with anyone who is coming to NIFT. Probably gonna take knitwear design. This is what we really deal with. I mean, crocheting is fun, but a lot of time it can get hectic also if you're not completing your work on time, just like me. But we're gonna deal with this. So making this, I just made a few chains and double crochets. I'm gonna put all the process in, you know, like a time lapse, so you don't have to see me doing the same step again and again. And then we're gonna meet in some time. Okay then, hi. So I was crocheting throughout आप लोगों से बात करने के बाद भी, and this is what I've actually done. It's about 8ish right now, and this is the patch that I've come up with. I'm still working on it. It's halfway through. I'm gonna make this much more, maybe add 4 to 5 rows more of crocheting. So I'm basically alternating the stitch counts and then leaving gaps in between. So I'm basically doing double crochets throughout this, and this is what I'm working on. Now I'll quickly have dinner, and I'm thinking that I'll complete this green color, and I'm going to start the third final color, because tomorrow I have an event in college. I don't want to miss it out, and in the morning I'll be having my, you know, classes as usual, because tomorrow is Monday, and on Wednesday I need to submit this. So I really need to pick up pace and do this as soon as possible, and at the same time I don't want to miss a lot of events. So for today I'm gonna aim at completing the second color and starting the third color. I really don't want to complicate it at this point, because it's just practically 2 days. Tomorrow day after and today night, so 2.5 days we can consider. But again, there are 2 major events coming up, so that will be taking up a lot of my time and I don't want to miss those events either. So yeah, that will be my plan to complete the work on time. Okay, so this is the progress. This is the bottom panel and I'm done with the second color. So this space will be my third color, which I'll start doing tomorrow. I still have to figure out which color I really want. I do have a few options, but yeah, I'm just gonna pick a different design altogether, or maybe the same one. Let's see, I'll figure that out tomorrow. But yeah, this is the progress as of now. Hi guys, so welcome to day 2. And I'm all ready. I did not vlog anything in this morning because I was running here and there to complete my work, because as I told you, I'm going home this Friday, so there are a lot of pending work and submissions that I need to do. And right now it's about 6:52 and the event has already started. I'm running a little late because I was working in the department till late, and I am ready in a beautiful sari. Today is Batukama. Again, I'm gonna vlog a bit in snippets here and there, and then in the night we're gonna start working on crochet again. So this is my look, traditional, and yeah, I'll meet you in some time. Right now it's almost 10 and the event finally got over. Like, the event actually got over an hour ago, but I just changed, got comfortable, and now I'm sitting to do crochet again. So this is my third color. I've decided this light pink color, like it's a very nice blush pink color actually, for my third color. I think it really goes well with the other 2 colors, and I'm going to start crocheting with this third color today. Guys, इतना फेक नहीं करना, थोड़ा नेचुरल करो। मैं ये और चलो Metrika, we need to fold it and iron it. Come on. This is the chaos that goes behind pressing one sari.
6 yards of fabric. Oh wow, Dolly
rightly said. We are ready for Onam. This is Metrika. Metrika, say hi.
Hi.
This is Parisa.
Hi guys. मुझे skip कर दिया.
Arnavi.
Guys,
say hi.
We're all
hi. And Avni, say hi. Do to get the table here.
Increase lightness. She ran.
Picked up a sari and ran.
Yeah.
So that we could get ahead of the curve and beat everyone here on camera.
Rightly said. Navi is making sure that we get good pictures. Parisa too.
On duty.
For real. Everyone is currently on a mission to get good pictures. इतना fake acting नहीं करना है Metrika.
Camera in vlog.
Oh shit! You didn't have to say that in my vlog, but okay. दिल्ली कोई गजरा लेकर आ गया है।
Thank you so
थैंक यू सो मच। क्या बोल रहे थे तुम सब? क्या बोल रहे थे?
के लोगों ने वैक्सिंग करी मेरे पैर के बीच से हाथ दरवाजे से।
ऐसा लग रहा है तुम सब मेरी फोटोज ही खींच रहे हो। लुक एट आवर फ्लाइट, वी आर इन द मिडल ऑफ एन इवेंट। एक्चुअली टेक्निकली इवेंट शुरू नहीं हुआ है, बट वी हैव सबमिशन टुमारो। Metrika is done. She has no work to do except a document. But me and Avni,
Bro, I just started.
yeah, she just started fresh and I am halfway done. And we have a submission, very important submission tomorrow. So we are leaving the... Metrika is there. So we are leaving the event and going to do our crochet. I mean, abhi shuru hi nahi hua. So we are thinking 15-20 minutes we'll do our work and then we'll come back. The lighting is horrible, but ठीक है. हाँ, फिर से शुरू करते हैं. But अब मुझसे बोला नहीं जाएगा, so fine. हमने हमारे कपड़े देख लो और हमारे काम देख लो. क्रोशे कर रहे हैं साड़ी में बैठ के.
If anybody calls me a dadi, Vilya dadi wears such a deep blouse.
This is my roomie. अच्छे से टोल करो यार, अच्छे से दिखाओ. हाँ ठीक है, देख ली सबने तुम्हारी बैग. Mission is kind of successful. We got some really pretty pictures. We pictures we got. That is just a way Metrika expresses her excitement. This is Rishika, guys. That is sorry, Shrishti. ये तो कट होने पड़ेगा और यहाँ पे एक रोमांटिक मोमेंट चल रहा है. रोमांटिक ज़्यादा हो गया. Show the post at least, no? How will they know what are you commenting on? I posted and they all are commenting. Good job. I'm preparing them for future. ये तो सिपिंग हो रहा है भाई. This is my outfit. I mean, this is what I was wearing. I'm gonna post like a picture here, and before this you will be seeing a lot of Onam clips because that was the fun part, and now we are actually moving towards the most serious part of the video, which is doing my work. Now initially I did think that, you know, I will make a separate Onam vlog, but that was just not possible, although I tried to gather as many clips as I could, but now I think that they are not enough. So I will just combine all of this into one video, like, you know, 1 week before going back to Delhi, something of that title. We'll think about it later. And yeah, I'm back to my room. I have a very important submission tomorrow, you know, crochet. I'm still left with my back panel. Yeah, so my back panel will be made of 3 patches, which I need to do tonight. I also have a document to make, so that will be taking a lot of my time, and then I have to stitch all the patches together and all of that. I'll take you along obviously for that. Now the Onam event was just beautiful. It was so fun. In the afternoon we had Sadhya, like in the morning we had classes, like the first half. Actually in the second half we also had classes. We had Sadhya in the afternoon, we got ready, clicked pretty pictures, and then we had like dance performances right now in the auditorium. Right now also there are certain performances going on, and not performances, actually like fun games and everything, but I could not afford to stay longer than this because it's already almost 7. I think the Onam celebrations will definitely last for another 2 hours. Personally, I think this is much better. I would be able to, you know, sit and work. I think coming back to my room right now is the same decision for me personally. So yeah, I'll start crocheting in a while. I need to order some food. I'm super duper hungry. So we'll do that, and I'm gonna start crocheting real soon.